To my valued listeners, welcome to Solution Nuggets channel. This is a continuation on the topic on vertebrates. We looked at the birds and the mammals, and we start by saying that we are going to look at the characteristics of reptiles. Reptiles are cold-blooded vertebrates, which means that their body temperature varies with the surrounding. If it is warm, their blood remains warm, and if it is cold, their blood remains cold. Their bodies are covered with dry scales. They reproduce by laying eggs, meaning that they lay eggs. Have internal fertilization, meaning that their eggs are fertilized inside the body. Here is a short clip showing a snake laying eggs. These are type of a snake laying eggs. Examples of reptiles. We have the tortoise, a gecko, a snake, crocodile, a chameleon, and many others. These are animals that have dry scales, they lay eggs, they have internal fertilization, and they are cold-blooded. We are now going to look at the amphibians. Amphibians are another group of vertebrates. Examples are the salamander, as you can see, a toad, a newt, and the frogs. Characteristic number 1 is that they are cold-blooded, meaning that their body temperature changes with the surrounding. They lay unfertilized eggs, meaning the eggs are fertilized outside the body or during the mating process. Their bodies are covered with a moist skin. They do not have scales, that is. They have external fertilization, as I have stated earlier. Their eggs hatch into tadpoles, as you are going to see. Watch this clip and see what happens. This is an example of a frog. The two frogs are mating, and at the same time they are laying eggs at the same time, meaning that the eggs are being fertilized in the mating process, meaning that the female had unfertilized eggs and therefore they are fertilized externally outside the body. Then after some time, after 48 hours, possibly the conditions are okay, the eggs hatch into tadpoles. Characteristics of fish. Fish are cold-blooded, similar to the other animals, meaning that their body temperatures depend with the environmental temperatures. Their bodies are covered with scales. They produce by laying eggs, and their eggs are also fertilized externally. Let us look at some fish laying eggs. Here's an example of fish. Look at it. This is a female tilapia. It has the eggs in the mouth. Parts of a fish. A fish has fins. As you can see, there is a dorsal fin. It is used for balance. We have the caudal fin or the tail fin, the anal fin, the pelvic fin used for steering water. We have the pectoral fin, also used for steering, and we have the gill cover known as the operculum. A fish has scales and a streamlined body to reduce water resistance or friction. They also have a lateral line used to sense danger. And fish have their scales facing backward to reduce water resistance.